Boom shakalaka, massive Bitcoin breakout this week. Stay tuned to find out exactly how high it could go. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we have a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including a massive breakout in the works where it could send Bitcoin price and why it's such good news. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button now. Today, fear and greed 61, down from the past 2 days, but same as we were last week at 61. The overall market still sideways. Bitcoin at 28,074, Ethereum at 1871, BNB at 312, XRP 51 cents, Cardano 38 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, Polygon $1.12, and Solana $20.61. And the best coins today based on artificial intelligence would be Anchor Network, IoTeX, Tron, Volt Inu, and Ren. And if you want to check out Token Master for yourself, use AI to help pick out the best coins. There is a free trial down in the description. Now, as you can see in this chart right here, we have a nice little wedge forming right here that is set to break out by April 13th, which is less than a week from today. Now, break up, break down, who's to know? But oftentimes these sideways moves in bull markets tend to go up, as we'll be taking a look at later if you hang around. But right now, yikes, today's narrow market leadership and macro environment display hallmarks of a bull trap. This means when things look bullish, but they're going to go down, echoing iconic market tops of 2000, 1973, and 1929. We are at the same levels that we were at those times when they were iconic market tops. Could we be at a market top? Maybe, but also look at times where we didn't have iconic market tops and we were at the same levels. So, could this be deceiving? Certainly could. Bitcoin right now showing evidence of leaving a bear market. We have a Bitcoin bull market approaching, shared the average sentiment oscillator past October, and joining you to monitor the red line. It started to decline months ago, signaling the end of the bear market. Once it crosses the blue line, bull market will officially start. You can see that as these crosses started, that was historically strong bull market territory. So we're not at strong bull market territory, but we're definitely at declining bear transition to bull market. Right now, we have a very significant cross. The 5100 SMA bullish crossover just happened on the Bitcoin 3-day chart. Bitcoin has a long and high way to go. You can see the last time this happened was October of 2015. And then look at this. Bitcoin went from $290 all the way up to $20,000. That's a lot of X's in there. Right now we have that cross once again, suggesting we could see Bitcoin going up quite high, potentially to the hundreds of thousands of dollars. We have right now a diamond consolidation pattern for Bitcoin. It's the other half of this wedge that we were talking about right here on the flip side. Well, look out for any breakouts from a consolidation after a strong momentum uptrend on a Bitcoin chart. Nothing can stop the continuation trend after the breakouts. We had a strong uptrend here in 2020, diamond consolidation pattern, and then breakout to strong uptrend. This went from roughly 16,000 to 40,000 plus the next leg up. We've had this strong uptrend leading into the diamond consolidation. Should we break out of here again by April 13th, less than a week from now, this could send Bitcoin roughly to those same levels, $40,000 to $50,000 from where we are right now. So that's looking very, very strong for Bitcoin. Not only that, but this Sunday marks a historic Bitcoin bull market starting point for the bull run. Take a look at this. Easter in 2012, bull run. Easter of 2016, bull run. Easter of 2019, bull run. Easter of 2023, you fill in the blanks. But every 3 to 4 years, Bitcoin recovers from a heavy bear market, and Easter has typically been a starting point for a run in the upcoming months or weeks. Not only Easter, but also you have to figure the taxes due around this time of the year as well. So that could contribute. Maybe people are done paying their taxes. Maybe they're getting their tax rebates. Maybe they're putting that into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Maybe people are pulling money out of the banks and putting that in Bitcoin. All of these factors could add up to an absolutely massive run for Bitcoin. Right now, we are just leaving the accumulation zone, below the 200 EMA. Once Bitcoin is above the 100 EMA, confirmation that the bull run is starting. So you can see historically, when Bitcoin has broken this green line here, the 100 EMA has been the beginning of the bull run. We are right at those levels now. Should this diamond break to the upside, it'll be the beginning of bull run territory. We are just leaving the very end of accumulation territory. So if you want to get Bitcoin at a discount, this would likely be the last time. And even better news, this might not be one of those short little fuse mid-cycle parabolas and then bear market and all that stuff. It turns out that back on March 11th, Bitcoin plummeted to the midline of this envelope, which is these 3 moving averages right here. Basically, to continue a healthy price action, there should be corrections to the middle of the envelope on the way up, like we saw here back in 2016. Many corrections to the middle of the envelope helped keep for a long, healthy bull run. However, as we saw here in 2019, never crossed back to that envelope, had a nice parabolic formation, a very strong price movement, but then we had a mid-cycle bear market. Again, saw a little bit of correction, but then the parabola, and then we've had a long bear market. So should we keep touching this midline of the parabola? Well, potentially we could have a very, very strong, lengthy, very high bull market for Bitcoin. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.